Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning and I do appreciate you all. Today I share with you how I make my own turmeric mist tea. I love this recipe so much because of the benefits I gain from it. Family, if you're looking to get flat belly in 5 days, if you're looking to lose 1 kilo in 2 days without any exercise or diet, then you are at the right place at the right time. Look no further and let me introduce you to my amazing DIY turmeric mist tea recipe. Okay, I've got my turmeric powder. Yeah, I've got my black peppercorns. I've also got my cinnamon stick, and that is it. I'll just use half of it. I've also got my lemons, and I've got my ginger powder and honey. I'm going to grind the black peppercorns and half of the cinnamon stick into powder form. Now let's learn about turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. This is due to the active ingredient curcumin, which may reduce inflammation in the body. Because of this, it's often recommended for people with certain medical issues. This includes arthritis, liver damage, lung conditions, and other inflammatory health conditions. Family, I hope you don't just watch the video but give this a try, especially if you're looking to get flat belly and looking to lose weight. Okay, so now to store them, I'm going to put all of them together in a glass jar like this. Both the black peppercorns and the cinnamon powder measure up to about a tablespoonful. The turmeric powder measure up to about 2 tablespoonfuls, and the ginger powder also measure up to about 2 tablespoonfuls. So far, family, if you're enjoying this video and it's really helpful to you, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to share for others to see, because someone out there might be in dire need of this video. Don't forget to also like, and I'll really appreciate it. And if it's the first time, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, and you will never ever regret it. Okay, you can now mix them together by shaking the glass jar like this, or use a spoon to mix and combine them well together. Okay, like I'm doing. Do this properly. Let them mix well, really well. Ooh, it's all done now. It smells so good. And it's now time to make our tea, and I'm using hot water. You can also use the warm water, it's okay. I'm going to add some of the turmeric mist powder, about a teaspoonful. I'll add it to the water and I'll mix it until it's well dissolved. It smells so good already. Beautiful. Aside the beautiful flavor, the health benefit is mind-blowing. So I'm going to keep the rest of the turmeric mist and use them until it's all finished. And I'll keep making them every day because I love the health benefits. I'm going to add lemon juice for taste, flavor, and the fact that it also helps to lose weight. I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of honey, and it's optional, but I love it because of the medicinal purposes. And now mix it together nicely until it's also well dissolved. It smells so good, family. I'm adding a little bit more of the honey because the first one wasn't that enough. It's now okay for me, so let's mix everything together nicely until the honey is well incorporated. Even though family making the tea yourself is affordable, sometimes I go all the way to buy the capsules, and it's also made with organic turmeric